how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination in your everyday life. So in today's video, we are going to see how to grow methi in a small container, quick and easy. 1 week, it will be ready for you to use it. Do try it and let me know if it worked for you or not. So let's go and see this video.
So let's see how to grow fresh methi from scratch. This is like a muffin tray from Costco. I'm growing in this. Add a little bit of potting soil, fill it up, not entirely, leave quarter space so that methi can grow, and we'll put our methi seeds and water in it, and we are done. Just sprinkle your methi seeds like this and mix it in. I think some more can go. Just it will come, and add water to it and sprinkle some water and show it. That's it. I watered it. In 1 week to 10 days you will have your own fresh methi. You don't need to cover it up. If it's too cold, cover it up in the night. Just put the cover back on. Otherwise, it's good to go. Let it grow and put in outside so that it will get some light and it will grow. So let's get this started, and I will show you every day how it changes so that you'll have some ideas. And methi seeds you can find in any Indian grocery store near you. To check it out, and it's the very easiest herb you can grow in your home. Today is the second day. Let's see how it's doing. I took it inside. See, you can see the sprouts that are coming around. Water it if the soil is dry like here. Water it little bit to keep it moist, and it will be ready to grow. So let me water my methi. So this is the third day. You can see that sprouting became little bit longer. It will be maybe 2 more days. We'll get our first. It will start growing. So as you can see, it doesn't need water today. We'll water it when it needs. So today is the fourth day. So let's see how it's doing. If I can open it. We already have small plants. It will be ready in another 3 to 5 days. It should be good enough to use. So this is how it looks on the fifth day. Almost leaves are here. It takes maybe 2 or 3 days for it to fill up the entire thing. Let's see how it turns up tomorrow. Good morning. Today is 7th day. Look how beautifully it became. No, sorry, it's 6th day. So it almost has 2 leaves. And maybe 2 or 3 days and it should be ready to be used. Today is the 7th day. Look how beautifully it came up, almost ready to use. Or you can wait 2 or 3 more days to use it, or you can start using it right now, and remaining things will keep growing. So this is it for this video. Do try to grow methi and let me know if it worked for you or not. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.